so now we're going to have a look at some of these extra prefixes we have now in the metric system. So this time we're going from megabytes to bytes. So we haven't done B for bytes yet, but that's what it stands for. So B is another base unit that they've introduced purely because of computer memory. All right, so that is our base unit, bytes. This is megabytes, and we're going from megabytes to bytes. So anything with that capital letter in the front means it's really big. So we're going from that to something smaller, so we're timesing by. Now mega is a billion. It's got 9, I've written the wrong thing down here, haven't I? Mega is a million, sorry. So mega is 1 million, so we're timesing by a million. So if you do 10.8 times a million on your calculator, it will give you that number of bytes. I'll just double check the calculator is giving you these same answers, because sometimes it will actually give you an answer in scientific notation. If it does, just write down whatever the calculator is giving you. So I'll just check it. Yeah, it does give you that, so we'll leave it like that this time. All right, looking at the next one, we're going from megabytes to kilobytes. Now there's 2 prefixes here, so we're going to go through the bytes first. So we're going from something big to bytes, so we're going to a smaller unit. So we're timesing by, and mega is a million, so we're timesing by a million. And then over here, we're going from bytes to kilobytes. We're going to something bigger this time. So we're going to divide, and kilo is 1,000. So we're going to do 4.8 times 1 million divided by 1,000, and you'll get this answer. Whoops. You'll get that answer in kilobytes. All right, next question. We're looking at C. So we're going from gigabytes to megabytes. So we're going to go, because of the 2 prefixes, we're going to the base unit first, which is bytes. So gigabytes to bytes, we're going from something really big to bytes. That means we're going smaller. So we're going to times by, giga is 1 billion, 9 zeros. Okay, now we're going from bytes to megabytes. We're going to something bigger now. So we're going to divide, and mega is a million. So we write 1 million here. So if we do 57 times 1 billion divided by 1 million, you'll get this. And put megabytes on the end. Okay, this time we're going from megabytes to kilobytes. Again, we have 2 prefixes. So we're going to go through the base unit of bytes first. Megabytes to bytes, we're going smaller. So we times by, mega is a million. And then over here we're going from bytes to kilobytes, we're going to something bigger. So we divide by, kilo is 1,000. So we're going to do 940 times 1 million divided by 1,000. And you'll end up with that answer at the end, and it's in kilobytes. So again, it didn't happen on any of these, but if any of the answers in your work end up in scientific notation for your answer, just write down whatever it's giving you and write the units on the end. And good luck with your homework.